Is your hair thinning on top? Well, I have got a solution for you, and her name is Claire. Here it is. This is called the Claire hair topper. It is 100% human hair with a monofilament hand-tied top and a lace front. The part is transparent. So here I'll show you what that really, you can get a good look at it. And for a nominal fee, you can add a silicone part line. Let's just put this on in real time. So I have a technique here. First, I'm going to close the combs down that help get this, to help put it on so that it doesn't do that. And then we're going to put it on, lining up the part right with the top of my hair. I will open a comb on the right, push it in, and then close it. Same thing on the left. Open it, push it in, and close it. Let me just clip it in the back. And the back, the clips are much easier to handle, fortunately. And there you go. All right, that's gonna be it for today. I wanna thank you so much for watching.